My name is Karen Davis. I own Davis Custom Trailers. We do a lot of repairs here. We have a showroom of parts. We sell axles, tires. We sell new trailers also. We have 15 employees and we have 5 techs and 2 certified welders on staff all the time. Anything your trailer needs, we can do it. Where we live, it is very rural and there's a lot of nurseries and there's a lot of landscaping. A lot of people use their trailers as their livelihood. And finding the parts for them and knowing they cannot work until I fix their trailer is not only hard on them, it's hard on me too. Some mornings I'll come in, I'll have an older gentleman with a part that's 60 years old and I've never seen it before. And my sales people, we run serial numbers, we identify the parts, we find out if we have an alternative to it. Dexter can make special order axles when somebody can't work because they don't have an axle. They can make the specialized axle for them. I just have a lot of smart people from Dexter that are very interested in helping me solve my customers' problems, and that helps me tremendously.
If you don't have customer service, you don't have anything. So, when her customer has a problem and she has to solve their problem, we usually get involved in that and we try to help her solve her problem, because you just got to work together to get something. And that's just what Dexter does, and we just do things right and we do things excellently.
I work with thousands of parts, and not a lot of people have the education in it. And because I have some salespeople who will go above and beyond, they're willing to do that extra homework with me to source that part in, because we have 5 repair bays. We usually have 30 repairs waiting on my lot, and they're not your normal everyday stuff. We get very creative together to get the customer resolution that he needs to get back on the road.
It's very difficult to predict the future, what requirements are going to be. Can't always base on historical information, but I would say that's probably the biggest challenge is having what the customer needs when they want it. You can never do too much for your customers. It is very high on the priority list of the leadership of Dexter that we are all advocates for our customers. That's our number one job. Regardless if you're a forklift driver or an outside salesperson, that's your number one priority, is to be an advocate for the customer. Quality and innovation with competitive, fair pricing. Dexter is always looking for ways to improve their products, and I think they are a leader in the industry in that field.
And when I decided to go out on my own, a lot of people didn't take me seriously. And I go back and I tell people there's certain people who made me successful, and that includes a lot of Dexter reps, because they did take me seriously and they would do the homework with me and they knew I had a passion. And if that wasn't available to me, I would never make it. And even to this day, I count on them and they respect me. We went from a very small business to a medium-large business over a 5-year period, and I couldn't have did it without those people. And it's very important to follow your dreams, work hard, be honest and transparent, and do everything you possibly can to get your customer's product to them. And Dexter helps me do that every day.